removes stones from our body. Its juice 10 ml per morning time and 10 ml evening time. Take 1 month, then stone of the body removed from urine, bladder, and kidney stone also. And it is good for our eyesight. This leaf, if we take 300 gram leaf and it is for 3 members only 100 grams its leaves if we take per day by sago, our eyesight will increase too much. Spinach is the food of eye. It is very useful, and this bathua sag also removes stones from human body, kidney stone, liver stone, and it is very useful. Green and spinach is good for eye. This juice 10 ml from morning time we take and evening time 10 ml. That is sufficient. If you take 30 days, 1 month, then our stone will be removed from our kidney and bladder. It is very useful. God gives, nature gives it for humankind, mankind. It available in India and all tropical countries, Asian countries like Japan and Indonesia, Sri Lanka, these areas. We take 10 ml juice morning time and evening time 10 ml. It is also very useful for our eyesight. If we eat this leaf, then our eyesight increase. We not suffer from blindness. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah.